Hi guys! Welcome to Meet a Biker Vlog. Let's do a bike check for Kespor Cyclone NX MTB. Is it worth it to buy this bike? Let's go over to the specs and some highlights of the bike performance. Let's start with the frame of the bike. It's Kespor aluminum 6061 tapered. Handmade paint, black and silver. Frame size is 17 or medium. GROUPSET SRAMNX 1x12 speed. The drivetrain or GROUPSET are composed of cogs 10 teeth to 50 teeth. Pulley oversized 14 teeth. RD SRAMNX. FD is also SRAMNX. Chainring SRAM Eagle 34 teeth. Crankset SRAMNX. Halotech bottom bracket with DAB technology. BRAKESET TEKTRO M275 hydraulic and TEKTRO rotors. Handlebar is Zik with 720 mm length with short stem attached with soft and comfortable hand grip. Tires WTV Ranger 27.5 by 2.25. Rims WTV double wall. Tabs USA Formula sail bearings. Fork air magnesium with lockout. 100 mm travel with 32 mm diameter stanchion. Saddle Cell Royale. Seat post is Zik brand, size 31.6. What I like the most of the bike is the drivetrain, specifically the shifter. SRAM shifter is crisp, precise and instant. You can change the gears smoothly. Next is fork. Very light, absorb vibration, especially on rough roads. If you have questions, reactions, experiences regarding this bike, you can comment down below. Please don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Thank you for watching.